So this video is going to be all about my makeup for Valentine's Day. Something really cute and simple. I didn't put on any foundation, just went in on these eyes. Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my channel, Beautywithty. So today's video is gonna be a Valentine's Day collab. So yes, I am doing a collab with Melissa. I will leave all her information down below. She's an awesome YouTuber. She has great content on her channel. So you guys make sure you go and check her out. We decided to do a nice little cute, simple Valentine's Day look for you guys. So you guys make sure you click her link down below and go check out her video on her Valentine's Day look, as well as make sure you subscribe to her channel and check out her videos. She has a lot of great demo videos. She tells you a lot, teaches you a lot, so make sure you go head over there to check her out. Let her know that Ty sent you. All right guys, let's go ahead and get into this look. All right guys, let's go ahead and get started on this face. So I'm just starting off with my eyebrows. I already did them off camera, and I'm just gonna go ahead and brush them, make sure everything is cool. And I will be using my crayon case eyeshadow primer. This is just to help your makeup last longer. And I will be using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette and going in with the darker brown shade. And then I'm using the crayon highlighter in the color Honor Roll to go underneath my brow bone. And then I'm going in with the even darker brown shadow, you know, just to get some contrast going on. Here I'm going in with my Juvia's Place palette and using this color burgundy right here. I'm so silly. To, you know, just add some more definition to the end. And then I'm just going to get that color to all come together with that burnt orange. Here I'm using the Kevyn Aucoin concealer. This concealer is really old and a little bit goes a long way. I've had it for years, and I'm just using that to cut my crease. And I like to look up to make sure that I get my crease as high as I need it to go. And then I'm just going to do that to both eyes so that I can make sure my eyeshadow on my lid is popping, because I will be using like this very soft light pink. Wham. So out of the Sweet Peach palette by Too Faced, I'm going to use this. It looks white, but it's really like a really light pink. So I decided to do that as like a pop of color on top of, you know, the darker shades in the back. And then I'm taking this burgundy color with my eyebrow pencil and just outlining everything with the cut crease. And then I'm going in with that same color to drag it in into that bright pink. And then I'm going to go in with this white kind of like shimmer color and put that right on top of my lid, just so I can kind of get like some shimmer pink going on. So then I just clean that up with the makeup wipe, add a little bit of that same shimmer to my tear duct. And then I'm going to go ahead and contour and add that contour to my cheek, nose bone, and highlight with that same Honor Roll highlighter palette to my Cupid's bow, nose, any and everywhere I possibly can, girl. Because you know that highlight is going to set it off and have you glowing for Valentine's Day. All right, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and put on some eyeliner and some mascara. You know, because we're going to kind of already have a bold, dramatic eye. So I decided to just do eyeliner and mascara to just kind of calm it all down for our, you know, cute little Valentine's Day look. So everything looks good. What do you guys think? And I did do a video on this sleek, well, you know, wave sleek ponytail. So click the link down below for that if you like to see how I got my ponytail like that. But overall, that's all for this makeup. Let me know what you guys think about this makeup look for Valentine's Day. Also, remember to make sure you go check out Melissa's page. All right, guys, I love you. And until next time, bye.